Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and guess what? It's March. That means it's time for a new YouTube giveaway. This month, for the month of March 2020, we are giving away an amazing prize. What is it, you ask? It's a laser printer, one of our favorite Brother laser printers. We love these laser printers, and we want one of you to have one. What do you need to do to win this awesome prize? Well, all you have to do is subscribe below and then comment with your favorite 5 out of 4 pattern. Haven't made a 5 out of 4 pattern yet? Well, you're in luck. Go to 5out of4.com and find a pattern that you would love to make and come back here and tell us which one that is. And then look for the first Tipsy Tuesday in April, where Jessica will announce the winner of this awesome laser printer. And I will see you next month. Bye.